the tide creeps cold across the sand, I clutch the ring upon my hand. He sailed at dawn when it's so fine. Now the sea keeps what once was mine. Oh, my love, where have you gone? The waves sing low, sing bonny Afton, ye clear winding stream. Thy waters sail on as a soft lover's dream. Thy banks ever blooming with heather and thyme are dear to my heart in old Scotland's lang syne. Two wee bairns cry for their daddy each night, and I hold them close with all my might. Now Glen, with fire in his eyes, he struck his hoof upon the stone and leapt into the skies. Hoof print by the water, burned into the glen, mark of the Dale's fury, never lost to men. Said, plant holly at my maiden feet, let both be kept apart, so long as branches ne'er touch, nay plague shall grip this heart. Let holly guard the grave I take. Now ye sleep 'neath foreign trees. Oh, my love, my heart, my slain, the hills still speak your name again. Whispers of the multiverse calling me near. Clusters of wonder that only hearts hear. I lay your name upon the stone. Speak to the wind as if you're home. And when the pipes sing of the free, I'll hear your voice come back to me. Sing, oh, Ken, your waters deep and true. Hills rise around you, crowned in morning dew. Echoes of the ancients drift upon your shore. Galloway remembers forever and evermore. At the foot of Black Craig's rugged side, where the bracken bends and shadows bide, there lies a cave so dark, so deep, where ne'er a soul or tread nor peep. They say